You got a check.
Everybody here?
Anne's coming in. Yeah, we'll wait for Anne yet. No, she's
Problem
not
is
coming.
people who end up filming the birth and want to show it to people.
Yes.
The filming is not so bad, huh?
You're welcome.
Having to look at it later.
We just saw one of those.
They just beforehand, when I was pregnant, I went part-time and then I did that.
Okay, Ellen.
Okay, Linda. Oh, you've got a good chance here. Perfect. Oh, that looks pretty good.
Oh. Big thing here.
Where's that safety pin?
6 months in.